Hey guys, thanks for watching. It's November 2019. It's pretty exciting. I received a little brochure here thing from American Express Centurion. It says, hey William, and each one of these is personalized, which is pretty cool. It tells you the new benefits of the new card. It says starting January, it's going to be $1,000 Saks credit. And also available immediately, you get access to all the Equinox gyms. You also have access to the private suite membership. Also, you get your own concierge, which is you had last year. Clear benefit. This time, the trip cancellation interruption insurance was an option, but you had to pay per trip before, but now it's included, which is good. It was like, I don't know, 29 bucks every time you bought a ticket. It talks about seamless arrivals, upgraded travel, and then it says your annual fee will double, increase to $5,000 as of April 1st. So that's going to be the biggest change. They're also going to increase the initiation fee to $10,000. But they're going to your newly designed titanium Centurion card is arriving soon. So let's talk about that. It was pretty crazy. When I first signed up, it was plastic, and then they announced they're going to have a titanium one. I was super excited. Once I got the titanium one, I was so happy. It was really, really cool. And then they announced they're going to have a chip in the titanium card, and so I was super excited to get that. And now they have a new contactless option, because the chip before you had to stick it into the machine. Now they're coming out with a contactless. I guess there's like a chip inside that's radio frequency or whatever. So super excited to get that. And behind me here is it. Here it is, brand new in the box. Haven't opened it yet. Really excited. It's came in a UPS package. I can see here it has this same little black square here. I think it's their new logo thing they're working with. But let's do it. Let's crack this thing open. Ugh. All right. Let's see what it is. Ooh, Centurion. Look at that. There is a little black box here again. Should we open this? How's this thing? You just kind of pull it out to here. I guess is how it is. Has a little Centurion thing here. Pretty excited. Probably ended up putting this on eBay. Maybe with the card or without the card. Oh, look at that. Came with this own little wallet thing here, made by Tom Ford, Italy. I think these are about $340. And this is the new card. It does have a chip. I don't know if my numbers. All right, I had to go back there and tape up the important numbers on there, but you can see here it's Tom Ford wallet. Retails for $340. And this is the card. It feels lighter. It doesn't feel as metal-y before. I mean, it's metal, it's titanium, but it has some type of coating on it. It's different. Looks like a different coat. Almost feels like plastic or PVC, but in front there's not really any numbers, and the back you can see has the little chip there, little I guess a frequency thing. That's pretty cool. almost looks like it's a layer of like a sticker, but there it is. There is the new, latest and greatest revamped American Express Centurion card. Let's see what else is in the wallet here. Comes with this little card. Thank you for your membership, Centurion. It's kind of cool. What else is in here? Little Tom Ford deal here. Tells you what this is. Cool. Will I use this? Yeah. I don't know where you can put your money. Maybe fold up the money in there. Put a couple cards on the side. Yeah. It's kind of cool. So now you can just take it out and hit that on the machine without taking the card out. Pretty cool. Alright, what else is in here? There's something over here, piece of paper here, envelope. Just has my name on it. See here. Cool. That's just a placement thing. Of course, they want you to recycle your old card. But there it is. Thanks for watching. I just noticed on the back side of this box here, on the underside of this lid, there's a little note here. Pretty cool, by the chairman and chief CEO. He's been a member since 1981. All right. Another cool little perk that I usually get that I don't talk about is the Business Centurion. They always give us free deals here. This is giving you a free night at the Wynn, Las Vegas, the Tower Suite, and $250 credit, which is kind of cool, you know. And then usually during December, they send you a gift, roughly $500 to $1,000 worth, which is really cool. Looking forward to that in December. I'll do another video and show you what I got. Last year, you know, I've gotten, you know, crystal sets. I've gotten tequila, different chocolates. I got this candle that was really cool. But then there's super expensive candles, super expensive chocolates. Not just a small box, but I'm talking about like a 25-pound in a huge box and super fancy chocolates from around the world. But here it is.